Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how to change your Litecoin Wallet account's password. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Changing your account's password is a good option when you are not sure about your account security, and you're worried about someone knowing your password. So, in that case, let's move on and try changing that password for your Litecoin Wallet account. The first thing you'll need to do is tap open your Litecoin and sign into your account first once you're in. Once you do that, from your home screen, tap on the Settings menu or Gear menu at the upper right, and tap on Security from the Settings menu under Basic. You'll be able to see that there is an option to change your password. Tap on Change Password and type in the current password for your account. In case you've forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot link, and you'll be able to reset your new password first. After you type in the current password, move on to the New Password text field and type in a new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password you just created, and after you do that, tap on Change Password to change your password to a new one. Remember that, once you change the password, payouts will be blocked for hours for security reasons. Once you are ready to do so, tap on Change Password and you'll be able to change your password for your Litecoin Wallet account. Next time you log in, don't forget that you've changed your password for your Litecoin Wallet account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.